So we're coming up with quite the problem here. This is the 100 pounds of force, foot-pounds, and this is my ratchet here. I don't know if you can see, but it's just completely gone. This little piece of bar here was not designed to take this kind of weight. And so what you have is you have different metals for different jobs. This is a soft metal, and it seems that this, I'm pushing the button at the back here, there's a button there, and as I push it, something just comes through. This is too soft and it's gone. So in cases like this, when you buy something from Canadian Tire, you can always take it back and say, hey, you know, this failed. Now I'm going to have to check the specifications of my socket set to see if it was supposed to take 100 pounds of pressure. If it was supposed to take 100 pounds of pressure or thereabouts, I will take it back and get a refund. If it says that it's limited to 80 pounds of pressure, foot-pounds of pressure, then that was my fault for pushing it to its limits and exceeding those limits. In fact, I went greater than those limits, and that's why it failed. Fortunately, nobody's life depended upon this exercise. This is just some fun, but nonetheless, I am down a socket. Sorry, I'm down a wrench, a very useful tool, and I'll have to decide what I'm going to do about that. Okay, so we've learned a lot about the limits of materials, more about the limits of materials than I was expecting, but I do have a very effective system, and I've just got to figure out how I'm going to use it so that it can do what I want it to do.